Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to solve this radical expression. Let's see how we can simplify this. We are given 2 root 2, okay, all over root 48 minus root 8, then minus root 27. So from here, we're going to have 2 root 2 divided by the root 48, the same thing as root. You know that 48 can be 16 multiplied by 3 minus this can be 4 multiplied by 2, then minus root 27 can be 9 times 3. Okay, so from there, so what you're going to do, we're going to have 2 root 2 all over. Now, you know that the square root of 16 is what? Is 4. The square root of 4 is 2. Then the square root of 9 is what? Is 3. So anywhere you see square root of 16, square root of 4, the square root of 9, you replace. So from here, you can have this to be square root of 16, the square root of 3, minus square root of 4, the square root of 2, then minus square root of 9, the square root of 3. So from there, I'm going to have 2 root 2 all over. The square root of 16 is what? Is 4. So we have 4 root 3 minus square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so we have 2 root 2 minus the square root of 9 is 3. We have 3 root 3. Understood? So from there, the next thing we're going to do, so we're going to have 2 root 2 all over. So this and this are similar, so I can bring them together. That is 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. So from there, we're going to have 2 root 2 all over 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3. I'm going to have root 3, then minus 2 root 2. Understood? So we continue from there. Now, from here, the next thing we are going to do now is to rationalize this. To rationalize this, we're going to have 2 root 2 all over root 3 minus 2 root 2. Then we are going to multiply the both numerator and denominator by root 3, then plus 2 root 2 all over root 3 plus 2 root 2. So the reason is that if you remember, when you have root A minus root B, so its conjugate will be root A plus root B. So you only change the sign. Okay, you only change the sign. All right, so we continue. That's what we did here. That's what we did here. Understood? Now, so to multiply this together now, so we're going to have 2 root 2 times root 3. We're going to have 2 roots, that is this times this. Okay, that will be 2 root 6. 2 root 6. Okay, and this times this. Okay, we are going to have what? We're going to have 2. That will be 4 plus 4 root 4, then divided by, now this root 3 minus 2 root 3 and root 3. So if you multiply this and this together, so we are going to have, or we're going to have root 3 squared, okay, then minus 2 root 2 squared, 2 root 2 all square. So where did he find that? Now, if you remember, when you have a minus b, then a plus b, when this and this multiply, so we are going to have our result to be a squared minus b squared. So that is difference of two squares. Understood? And that's exactly what we use here. When this and this multiply, it's considered we have minus here and we have positive here. So it shows that it looks like this one here. So which is telling us that we can rewrite it in this form. So that's why I have root 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Okay? So from there, so we're going to have 2 root 6 plus 4 root 4. And you know that root 4 is same thing as 2. So therefore this will be multiplied by 2. Then divided by, this will be, this square, we cancel this. Okay? So this square, we cancel the square root, we have 3 here. Then minus this square, we affect this 2 here, that will be 4. Then this square will affect this square root here, it will go, then we are going to be left with 2 inside. So from there, you're going to have 2 root 6, okay, plus 8 all over 3 minus 4 times this, we have what? We have 8. So from there, we are going to have 2 root 6 plus 8 divided by minus what? Minus 3 minus 8. That will be what? That will be 5. Understood? So from there, that is where we are going to stop, or you rather leave it like this. So we are going to be having what? We're going to be having minus, then minus 8 over what? 8 over 5. And that's the solution to the problem. All right, so if you find this, please kindly, if you find this interesting, kindly share to your colleagues so they can learn. If you are just watching our YouTube for the first time, consider subscribing today. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you. Bye bye.